Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 4.4% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the gold fall 0.5% against the dollar. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 2.7% in the last session. The ROC's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Gold prices recovered as the dollar moved away from recent two-decade highs, rekindling demand for greenback-priced bullion, while investors wait for key US inflation data that could impact the Federal Reserve's monetary policy. Commodity currencies Norwegian krone and the Australian dollar recovered some ground after hitting their lowest levels in nearly 2 years against the US dollar, tracking a rebound in European and Chinese stock markets. Terra USD, a digital token with a $16 billion market capitalization that is designed to maintain a one-to-one peg with the dollar, known as a stablecoin, nosedived over the past 24 hours. Its price fell below 65 cents before somewhat recovering.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Germany's 10Y bond auction will be released at 0930 GMT. Japan's coincident index at 0500 hours GMT. The UK's RICS housing price balance at 2301 GMT. Japan's current account will be released at 2350 GMT. The US Consumer Price Index core at 1230 GMT. The US Consumer Price Index at 1230 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.